Are you curious what you could get for just under $4 million in Nuuanu? This is David Buck with Harcourts Island Real Estate, and today we're going to look at my listing here at 14 Hakumele Place in Old Pali. So if you're curious of what something goes for in the Nuuanu area in this price range, this is going to be a 20,000 square foot lot, zone R10. So there's 2 legal dwellings. Behind me we have a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath main residence, and then behind me we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. And this is a real sleeper of a neighborhood. It's very convenient, close to town. So let's go inside and take a tour and see what you think. As you come off the private driveway, you'll see a propane tank here, which services the gas cooking and the gourmet kitchen, which we're going to get to in a bit. But you do have this nice enclosed, gated, private yard, and there's ample room if someone did want to drop in a swimming pool. But this home was built in 1962 and went through a complete remodel in 2022. And there you can kind of make out, there is a small partition for privacy for the cottage, but that could always be removed. But as we step up to the front door, you're going to love this custom wood door. And as we enter the great room, you'll immediately notice the custom windows and the custom door that I'd mentioned, and the high ceilings and recessed lighting. And like I said, my client spent 2 years renovating this place and they spared no expense. There's actually a separate sunken living area we'll take a look at here as we step down. There's a nice covered patio outside, which we'll come back to in a bit. But this is a great, TV or entertaining area. There is a fireplace here because it is Nuuanu and it'll get a little bit cooler with the higher elevation. And as we enter the grand kitchen, this would kind of be where your dining area could be set up here that overlooks into the TV area. And then if you got this huge open kitchen concept, what we have there is a dehumidifier, which is a brilliant idea because you are in Nuuanu and that will help with the moisture. And then you have an 8-burner gas stove that I'd mentioned. And these are some really cool light fixtures I'd like to point out. You can not only adjust the lighting itself, but the shape of the fixture, which is a really cool fixture. I have not seen anything like this prior, and it's a cool concept to talk about. And as we continue around the corner, you've got this gigantic stainless steel refrigerator, and you've got this pantry with another reefer, laundry room, which is great. It could function as a mudroom as well. Also a pantry with ample storage here with closets and shelving. And as we come back, this is going to be the half bath, which is off the hallway for guests. But what I love about this home is all the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms, and they do have nice high ceilings and walk-in closets. You're going to notice throughout as we walk through each one of these bedrooms. They also are fully equipped with split air conditioning. And here's a nice view out the back window to take in the greenery of Nuuanu. And once again, ensuite, full bath. This is going to be bedroom number 1 of 4 that we're going to be seeing today. And as we come back out, we're going to head into bedroom number 2. And once again, high ceilings, newer vinyl windows all throughout the house. You do have the split air conditioning. And then you're also going to have a walk-in closet, and this one off of the bathroom. And this one's going to have a shower stall. And once again, nice walk-in closet. Now we're up to bedroom number 3. This is the only one that's not on the main living area. It's elevated. It's kind of like a built-out attic space, but it does have a full ensuite bathroom as well with dual vanity sinks. And you'll notice also a nice, beautiful shower. And this bedroom has beautiful high ceilings and natural lighting, built-in bunk beds, and a walk-in closet and additional storage in the attic space, which is a bonus. Now we saved the best for last. As we enter the primary suite, we once again have lots of beautiful natural lighting and high ceilings, and I've never seen anything like this. It's like a gigantic closet where you've got 2 sides that are walk-in and then a seating area in the middle to put on your shoes. And then as we approach the primary bathroom here, it's once again over the top, dual vanity sinks, walk-in shower, soaking tub. And now we're going to come full circle back to the exterior. This is that seating area that I mentioned earlier outside. There's a custom bench and swing that was done for my clients by the contractor. And then you've got beautiful views looking in towards Nuuanu Valley out the back. You've got a beautiful royal palm there on the neighbor's yard. And then you have kennels there for dogs if you'd like. Great outdoor fitness area as well. And then we're gonna walk back and kind of describe the cottage. As we enter through the laundry area, you do have a full washer dryer in the cottage, separate from the main home. And as we enter the living area here, as you can see, it's a beautiful, nice space, and it's got full kitchen, because once again, this is a full legal second dwelling due to the zoning. Got a beautiful stainless steel countertop, and you also have motion sensor lighting that I pointed out here that comes on as you approach, which is a brilliant idea. And you have stainless steel appliances, also new from the 2022 renovation. And then you have 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom. So we got a closet here in the first bedroom. Now we're gonna walk in the second bedroom. You've got more closet space there. That's going to be another entryway there. And then here's your full bathroom with a walk-in shower, as well as a beautiful seating area, fully tiled. Nice upgraded bathroom, like I said, complete remodel in 2022. Well, I hope you enjoyed my tour of 14 Hakumele Place here in Old Pali. And if you have more questions about this particular home or other homes in the Nuuanu, Old Pali, Dowsett area, feel free to reach out and give me a call at 808-371-3509. Mahalo.